This video is created for informing our audience about 5 lesser-known facts of Python. We do not want to disrespect anyone or anything by it. This video is sponsored by the oxygen I am breathing. Python is sometimes bad at math. For example, see this calculation. Leave a link of the website in video description which explains why this happens. This happens with a few more Python decimal calculations. But this doesn't always happen. There is a built-in module in Python called anti-gravity. If you import this, then it will open a browser window and take you to a web page where you can see a comic. In Python, you can do mathematical calculations with boolean values. True counts as 1 and false counts as 0. You can literally use them as 1 or 0 in any kind of mathematical calculation. If you try printing true as integer, then you will get 1. If you print it as decimal, you will get 1.0. It also means that a boolean value can be used as an integer, a float, and even as a string. What actually happens here is, == operator checks if two variables are equal. On the other hand, the is operator checks if two variables point to the same object. In Python, small numbers, between -5 and 256, are allocated only once. But larger numbers are allocated on demand as many times as needed. Here the number 234 has been allocated only once, so the same 234 is used 2 times. But the number 257 has been allocated twice. And this is actually what the is operator is interested in, rather than the values being equal. Uniqueness of keys in a Python dictionary is by equivalence, not identity. So even though 5, 5.0, and complex 5 are distinct objects of different types, since they're equal, they can't both be in the same dict, or set. As soon as you insert any one of them, attempting to look up any distinct but equivalent key will succeed with the original mapped value, rather than failing with a key error.